Hey everyone, how's it going? Real Tater here. Today we're going to be picking a challenge lock that was sent to me by Sir Paradise from BBtelPix66. It's caution, it says caution, challenge lock, enter and find the joy of ShacklePop. Enjoy. Shackle. Challenge lock by BBtelPix66. And it's got his name on the back. The challenge lock came in this cool little box. Let's open her up and have a look at her. Okay, it says BBtelPix66 in the lock, and that's a CL1 challenge lock 1. Looks like an American core. Okay, that's the key there. Just like open this off camera and make sure personal information in here. Okay, that's got the people's names that have already picked it and whatnot. Okay. So I got that lock from Sir Paradise. He also sent me a couple of these picks too, so I'm going to try using one of those. This guy here. Probably to pick this lock. Alright. Just adjust it here. We'll try picking it just like that. Maybe. Try top of the. Okay, top of the keyway. So I haven't made a video in, geez, close to a year now. So, but hopefully now things seem to be going a lot better lately. I'll be able to be a little more consistent with putting out content. I want to be anyway. Especially challenge locks. I love picking challenge locks. Okay. Just using barely any tension at all. Barely touching the pins, lifting them. A couple at the back of the core seem to be lying in. I don't want to force anything though. Oh no. I want to lose it. Try using something else here. Alright, jeez. Lost the wrench on that one. Luckily I have the screwdriver nearby. Alright. That wasn't too bad. None of the pins seem to be set very, had very far to go. Just try to get this in there. Alright. Let's open this up and see what BBtel's got in here. Anybody wants to do a trade for this lock or maybe another one? I do have a couple other ones here I gotta trade off. Put something in the comments or send me a message on Reddit. Okay, he left a little note inside the core. Read it, BBtelPix66. Hey there, let me know how you liked picking my first challenge lock. It was a little fast, but I could have just got I could have just got lucky there, I'm not sure. Alright. Look at the key. I want to see what this bidding looks like actually. See what the bidding looks like. Yeah, so a couple of them barely needed to be touched. Pin number 5 barely needed to be touched, and pin number 1 was a no lift pin. Alright. Actually, I'm going to take that off first to avoid a disaster. There we go. Lost that. And where's my... Sorry, the friggin' gut's taking me forever. Alright. I'll lose anything though. Which one is it? This guy. Throw a shim on there just in case. Alright, so he did only have the 5 chambers pinned up. So I'll just dump these out here, and then afterwards I'll give you a close-up. The bottoms all seem to be I don't know if they're factory serrateds. They all look to be factory serrateds. Oh, it's just very well done. Let's see what's up here. Pin number 4 is actually pretty interesting. It's like a little barrel key pin. Nothing appears to be done to the core. Look at that after. Don't want to drop it. What we got here? That's an interesting pin. Looks like a little torpedo or something. That's a serrated. That's one of the serrated spools. It comes in the factory, from the factory. Only had 4 springs in there. I don't know if that's, is that weird? Maybe, oh, no, one's just stuck in there. The spring, I'm not taking it out. Spring stuck in chamber 1. All right, so let's get a close up of these pins. All very cool. I really like that pin and that pin as well, although, oh, sorry, center the camera. This pin here and that pin here. But I didn't get a lot of feeling from any of them. But, well done. It's a fun pick. Thanks for everybody for watching, and try to get a couple more videos out. Have a great day. Bye-bye.